Hi there, students. Blasphemy, blasphemy, a countable noun or an uncountable noun. Let's see, blasphemy is speaking sacrilegiously about a god or about something that somebody holds sacred. Yeah, insulting somebody's god, showing contempt or lack of respect for a god or for a deity or for somebody, for something that is held holy by a group of people. So contemptuous speech, contemptuous writing. Yeah, so he was found guilty of blasphemy. Okay, so blasphemy is the noun. We could have the verb to blaspheme, blasphemous, an adjective, blasphemously, the adverb. Okay, so this is to curse, to swear, to do something unholy, to desecrate a god, or to say or do something that is rude and irreligious towards somebody's god. Okay, and this is the idea of blasphemy. Okay, so blasphemy is a speech crime and a religious crime. Yeah, it's saying something that shows contempt and disrespect, or something that insults a god, or something that is considered holy, something considered inviolable by a religion. So it's it's speaking about something sacred in a very irreligious way. Okay, let's see. Notice blasphemy is a very, very strong. You could say profanity, yeah, or sacrilege, but blasphemy is the strongest of all of these words. It's a remark that is mocking or contemptuous of a god. Yeah. Let's see. Now you can also use this word metaphorically. So, for example, taking a 20-year-old Scotch whiskey and putting Coca-Cola into it would be regarded as blasphemy by many people, regarded as sacrilege. Fans of Taylor Swift would say that any criticism of her is blasphemy. Okay, so or maybe if you talk badly about his football team, he will consider it to be blasphemy. So here you're using it figuratively in a humorous way. Yeah. So either blasphemy is where you do or say something that shows disrespect for a god or a religion. And then you could use it jokingly to say that you're doing something you're saying something disrespectful to something that people enjoy or like a lot. Yeah, so any criticism of his music nowadays is considered as blasphemy. Yeah, or okay, so it doesn't have to be religious, but generally and mainly it is religious. Okay, a blasphemer is somebody who does this. It's disrespect. It's profanation. Yeah, it's irreverence. You are swearing or cursing about a god. Yeah, it's an act of desecration or sacrilege. Let's see, blasphemy, to blaspheme. Formality. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5, maybe a 7 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from ancient Greek, blasphemia, profanity, from blasphemo to slander. Okay, to slander, to say things that are not true, to malign, to speak ill of, to speak profanely. So there you go, to blaspheme. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Blasphemy, blaspheme, blasphemous, blasphemously.